All right, hey everyone, get ready because today we are diving deep into Anthropic's brand new Claude 3.7 Sonnet model. Yeah, and we've got articles from TechTarget and PC Mag, announcements from Anthropic, and even Analon Web Services. Oh, and plus a super interesting post from the DEV community. And all this stuff points to one thing. This isn't just your average AI upgrade. This is something completely different and maybe even better than anything we've seen before.
So what's really fascinating about Claude 3.7 Sonnet is it's a fundamental shift in how AI models work. Anthropic calls it a hybrid reasoning model. Basically, it's designed to bridge the gap between standard LLMs, which are really fast and efficient, and reasoning models, which are super deep and analytical.
Okay, so what does that actually mean? Like, what does it mean to be a hybrid reasoning model? What's so special about that?
Well, think about it this way. You know how traditionally AI models have been specialized? You've got one for generating text, one for crunching numbers, another one for recognizing images. But Claude 3.7 Sonnet wants to be like a universal tool, a single model that can handle a wide range of tasks without needing to switch hats.
So it's like instead of having a separate AI for writing code and another one for like explaining physics problems, Claude 3.7 Sonnet can do both. That sounds incredibly powerful, but also really complex. How does it even work?
That's where the hybrid part comes in. So it combines the strengths of two different approaches. Standard LLMs, which are great at things like text summarization and language generation, and then also reasoning models, which excel at problem solving and logical deduction. And by integrating both of these into a single model, Anthropic has created something really unique.
Wait, so doesn't that mean that they're trying to mimic the way the human brain works? Like we don't have separate brains for different tasks, right? We use the same brain to write a poem or solve a math equation or even debug a piece of code. Is that what Anthropic is trying to achieve here?
Yeah, you could say that. I mean, Claude 3.7 Sonnet is definitely taking inspiration from the human brain's ability to switch between different modes of thinking. It's a bold move for sure, and it has the potential to unlock a whole new level of AI capability.
This is what gets me excited. We're not just talking about small improvements here. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in AI development.
Right.
Like if Claude 3.7 Sonnet can really bridge the gap between language processing and reasoning, oh man, that could open up so many possibilities.
Exactly. And one of the most exciting parts of this new model is its ability to think on different timescales. Anthropic describes it as having two distinct modes, a standard mode for quick responses, and then there's an extended thinking mode for when you need the model to really, dig deep and analyze a complex problem.
So it's like having two different gears in your brain. One for quick thinking and another for when you need to really put your mind something, like when you're trying to solve a tricky puzzle or write a really hard piece of code.
Exactly. And the coolest part is that developers who are using the API can actually set a budget for thinking